Do you want to work on your shoulder flexibility? In today's video, you're going to do shoulder pow. This pose is really great to help improve the mobility in your shoulders. Hi, I'm Mike and I teach yoga in English. Yahoo! 英語でヨガ教師マイクです。If you're new here, please check out the introduction video, so link up here, also down in the descriptions below. And when you're finished, please come straight back to this video because I'm waiting for you. When doing this pose, you might need a yoga belt or yoga strap. If not, you can use a towel instead. Anything is fine. So let's get straight into it.
Let's come into the pose. Kneel on the floor with a block or a cushion under your bum. Extend your arms out. Bring your right arm up and over, and your left arm down under. Try to grab your fingertips. If this is too much, you can use a strap instead. Lean your head gently into your arms. Tighten your grip as you feel more flexibility during the stretch. And let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe here at your own pace for 8 breathing. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 8 with control. Try to relax your shoulders. Feel a deep stretch in your shoulders. Tuck your top arm in. And look forwards. Keep breathing here. Try to relax as much as you can. Keep breathing here. Try to relax your shoulders. You're doing fantastic. Okay, and then release your fingers or the strap. Place the strap on the floor if you used it, and give your arms a shake out here. And let's do the same on the opposite side. And if it's feeling intense on your legs, you can come and sit in a comfortable position, and let's get ready. Extend both your arms out. Bring your left arm up and over, and right arm down and behind. Grab your fingers or use a strap if needed. Gently push your head into your arms and tighten your grip as you feel more flexibility during the stretch. So let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe here at your own pace. 4, 8. Breathing. Control the exhale to make it long. Try to relax your body, your shoulders as much as you can, and feel a deep stretch in your shoulders. So concentrate on your breath. And try to let go of any tension or stress in your shoulders. Try to relax as much as you can. Keep breathing here. Keep breathing here. Try to relax your shoulders. You're doing awesome. Release your hands or the strap. If you use the strap, place it down on the floor. Extend your arms out. Give your arms a shake out. And then extend both your legs out in front of you and give your legs a shake out here. Come sit in a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, and exhale, open your arms nice and wide. Back to your heart center. In reverse, inhale, open your arms up all the way to the sky, and exhale down to your heart center. Thank you for joining me in this practice.
So how do your shoulders feel? Please let me know in the comments below and I'll reply. And if you want to make English yoga a habit, please subscribe to my channel so it helps support me, so I can help support you on your English yoga journey. And if you don't have a yoga strap but you're looking to buy one, I'm going to put some links down in the descriptions below, so please check it out. And they are affiliated links, so if you purchase from those links, it helps support me and it's no extra cost for you. And when doing a yoga class in Japan, don't make this mistake. If you want to find out what it is, check out in this video right here. Or if you want to do some more flexibility training, check out this playlist here.